So I received my first YouTube paycheck for 1 full month of ad revenue as a small creator with less than 3,000 subscribers. How much did I make? Let's get into it. Before we get into today's video, I just want to say thank you for stopping by. I'm Cyrus, and I'm here to improve the streaming experience, not only for you, but also for your viewers. If you enjoy this video, make sure you hit it with a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss content like this. Also, check me out on Twitch. I stream 3 days a week and would love for you to be a part of that stream, as well as join the Darkness Discord. The links for that is in the description below. We'd love for you to be a part of that community, as we're there to help you also improve your experience there with a bunch of people that are knowledgeable and ready to help. So with that out of the way, let's actually not talk about streaming necessarily and talk about this YouTube channel and what I was able to get from 1 full month of ad revenue as I just got monetized back in November. So let's get into it. So as I said, in November, about halfway through the month, I did get monetized, and which means I reached the 1,000 subscriber as well as the 4,000 watch hour requirement to be able to receive the YouTube partner eligibility, pass all that, sign the documents, get into the YouTube partner program to get ad revenue, as well as to get a bunch of other perks that come along with it. And so November was kind of a partial month, and I'll show that in a little bit and talk about that as well. But I did get paid for the month of November in December, but December was my first full month of monetization. And when I was looking at those analytics and as I was going through everything that we had, I was really impressed with how small my channel was and how much I was able to make. So I'm going to tell you how I got to that point, what I was doing, how this channel became the channel that it is today that you're watching. And we're going to start with looking at some analytics, and we're going to look at just the analytics for December right now. So let's go ahead and take a look. I've got the notes on my phone, but I'm going to go ahead and pop up some B-roll up on the screen for you to see. So in December, I actually received 61,000 views, and that came out to about 175,000 minutes, or just over 3,000 watch hours, which kind of also leads to the point where I was almost able to monetize basically out of a month and a half at this rate. Subscribers wise, I gained 672 subscribers that month, and there's the number you're here to look at, $324.61, and that's what I made in the month of December. Now, granted, what you need to know is during this month, I started December with less than 2,000 subscribers. I think I was at 1,800 coming into the month of December, and as I finished just passing over 2,000, getting into the month of January, and now sitting at 3,000 at the end of January, you know, as that continues forward, we're starting to see this trend on my channel where I'm seeing this positive growth, and that monetization is there to stay. On track, I'll go ahead and pop up right now the January analytics. I'm on track to go ahead and pull out another $300 for this month. And I want to talk to you about how I got to this point. And most of you probably wanted to stay here, see what that number was, but let me go ahead and talk to you about what happened. How did I get here? How long it took? And if you haven't watched any of my previous videos and you're just coming to my channel, there are some other videos talking about the process of how I got to here, but I want to kind of quickly synopsis this here. So I put out some videos in the middle of the year in 2020, one of them being an alerts video for Xbox as well as PS4, and how they could put alerts onto their Twitch stream without actually having to have a PC. And as that great as that was, that video sat for a little bit stagnant. And that also was paired with a video talking about how to use your Xbox to use your Switch and stream it online. And those two videos between July and August and September started to exponentially get organic growth. And this was the first time that I had a video, minus a Destiny video early on, that started to get some traction. And it was just because of some keywords and some things that I was learning, as well as the thumbnails and the titles, that allowed those videos to carry. And one of those videos just passed 100,000 views, and that's the one for overlays for PlayStation as well as Xbox, basically any stream that comes into Twitch essentially. So when I look at those and I go back and I'm trying to mimic that model, because since then I've had those videos take off. I've had a couple more videos, one sitting at around 20K, and then a couple more that are about to pass 10K, or I think one that already has passed 10K. And from there, the most recent videos have even sat around that 100, 200, 300, and they're on slow growth as well, almost to kind of follow the same track as those other videos. And what really is kind of discouraging at times is the fact that I'm posting videos. Like my most recent video, I can turn around. My most recent video was actually about the 3 streaming programs and how much those can be used, how much you can choose between the 3. And I think that video right now is sitting just over 100 views, and that was posted last week. And compared to when you look at my channel as a 100,000 view video and then some that I'm posting now with 100 views, I'm seeing the point of organic growth on my channel being something that happens long term. Some people are able to post these videos and they're able to get this hot button topic, post to something that's a keyword right now, and get that growth. And a lot of you are able to do that. Congratulations, that's awesome. What I'm trying to do is to set up evergreen content, which means that 6 months down the road, 1 year down the road, 2 years down the road, people can still search these videos and gain knowledge and be benefited from these videos rather than a news topic or something that is right now. And so my growth looks different than a lot of people, and I could look really slow compared to people. Let me know in the comments, jump down there. How many subscribers are you at right now? How long did it take you to get to that point? Because I'm sitting at 3,000 and it's taken me almost, I think we're at 20 months from the creation of this channel. It was July 12th, 2019. So what is that, 21 months? Someone math and do it in the comments. Just roast me, it's okay. But when we look at how that happened for me, I'm intentionally trying to not hit those hot button things that are right now, but something that's searchable. So do I expect big growth out of the gate? No. Will it happen? I don't know. Who knows? But right now, this is where we are. And for that month of December, pulling in that $300 was great for this channel because I took that investment and instead of trying to throw it into a graphics card or new kind of stuff for me to enjoy gaming, I reinvested it back in the channel. So I decided to take that $300 and reinvest it in the channel. It's actually what you're looking at is a Sony a5100 that I picked up on a local deal for $220 and then used the rest of that money to get the mounting hardware, the dummy battery, and a bunch of stuff so that I could use it on those streams as well as continue to make these videos. And I'm really excited about what comes from this investment. And I'm gonna do a dedicated video just on this camera so that you can see how it fares in 2021. And I think that'll bring us to the end of the video. Guys, thank you for sticking around. I hope that you enjoyed this content and got something from this and saw where, as a beginning creator on YouTube, just getting in the YouTube Partner Program, what my analytics showed could possibly be some insight to what you could get if you invested the time to grow your YouTube channel to get into YouTube partnership. Guys, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and check me out on Twitch, subscribe to the channel, and join our Darkness Discord. It's a wonderful place. I really love that place. Guys, thank you for stopping by. I'm Cyrus, and welcome to the darkness. We'll catch you next time.